What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to install Epic Games Launcher in Windows 10, and I'll show you what are the things you'll get when you install Epic Game Launcher. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. For to install the Epic Game Launcher, open any browser you have like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, any of these browser. I'm opening the Google Chrome because most of the user have Google Chrome on their PC. As you can see, I'm in tegadvice.com. If you want to do the safe search on internet without having any malicious website and want to keep every information private, then you should have to visit tegadvice.com. On the top, click on Safe Search and you will be on this page. This search is powered by Google Safe Search, so it's completely secure and it's gonna give you complete safety while searching on internet. Once you'll be on Tegadvice Google Safe Search, type in here, download Epic Game Launcher. Alright, as you can see the listings in here. As you can see the website name www.epicgames.com. So you have to click on this one, Epic Games Launcher download. Let me show you the history detail. If you do a search on tegadvice.com safe search, then what are the history details you'll get. As you can see, it's just showing you safe search and the Epic Game website. Once you'll be on the website, click on download Epic Game Launcher. If you have any other browser like Mozilla Firefox, you'll see upside down arrow. In that you'll see this file show up in there. Once you'll see the file, you simply have to click on that file and it is start showing you an option to set up the Epic Game Launcher. Here I like to show you one more thing. If you'll click on changes, from this option, you can change the drive. If you have separated the two drive, like one is a C drive and the another one is the D drive, then you can save all of the file in the D drive. You just have to select the D drive, click on create new folder, this one, and create the folder. This one is the external drive which I'm showing you right now. This is not the part of the PC. So it have to be the local drive which you have separated. For now, I'm selecting the C drive and I can create the folder in here as well. Just click create new, type Epic Games. That's all. Now select the folder and click OK and click on install. Once you'll have UAC control screen which asks your permission to verify this game, click on yes. It is start installing all of the files. As you can see, it's installing DirectX. Alright, as it's installing, it's verifying update. It's gonna take some time, so be with me on this video. As you can see on the bottom, there is an icon coming up which required your permission to verify, so you have to click yes. And do remember, if you'll see that icon on the bottom bar, then you simply have to click on it and click yes. It's installing all the updates. It's not gonna take that long. The file contains 437.5 MB. Again, we have to click on yes. Alright, I think it's done. Okay, now it's connecting to the server. Now as we have a screen to sign in to Epic Game Launcher, you can sign in with your email address. If you have sign up on Epic Game Launcher with any of your email, you can use the same email in here. Or either you can sign in with Facebook, Google account, as you can see the information in here. Or either you can click on sign up. But I like to suggest you should have to go to the website because this gonna take some time to load every information. But if you will be on the website, then it's not gonna take that long to sign up. You simply have to type in here Epic Game Launcher and open the website and click on sign up. As you can see the name up here, I already signed in, so my account is showing up. So you just have to click on sign up and you can create an account from here. So that's how you have to install the Epic Game Launcher, and simply click on sign in and type your email address. Let me show you how it looks like after signing in. Let me type the email address in here. If you have a low configuration of hardware installed on your PC, then it's gonna take some time to load every information. So you have to keep in mind, if you have a low hardware configuration, then it's gonna take some time. Alright, let me select the options. Let me select the pictures from here. As you can see the screen, it says preparing the Epic Games Launcher. Alright, it's showing me all the latest news about the games. I'm gonna skip this part as it's gonna take some time to load the screen, as I have a low hardware configuration, so it's taking some time. Alright, as you can see in here, it's showing me choose install location. If I want to install the game on the same folder, or I want to install games on new folder, something like that, whatever the game I'm gonna install or play on this one, I want to install it on the same folder or not. As you saw that, I created a new folder with the name of Epic Games. So I'm selecting the same folder. Click yes to verify it. That's how it looks like after installing. You can download the other games from store, and on the downloads you can see the progress of that game. You can see the screen. If you want to play any of these games, you can install it. You can install the free one. It always show up before the download option, so you can download the games you want to play. So that's all for today. That's how you have to install the Epic Games Launcher. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.